work also I've been doing, so let's say, some stuff off camera. Yeah, I found a gilded parsnip. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna grind. Now I'm trying to get that, but you're like, bro, if you don't have any teleporters, are you ever gonna get that stuff? That's where you're right. I don't know. That's why I'm here. I'm gonna look. Just drop it. That's why I'm here. I'm trying to look for materials with you. This is probably gonna be like one episode, maybe two, hopefully. Yeah, I have to get started. I'm wasting my time. Yes, I got all those DLCs. Can't wait until Slime Rancher 2 comes out. It's on Game Pass. I could get that for free out. So, using money. I'm gonna check how much it took with this. Remember there being strange diamonds? All of them require honeycomb. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get butterscotch. 20 silky sand. That's 15 silky sand I need. And then 10 honeycomb and the rest is all good. Bra 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 bra. He says honeycomb is useless, he says. Bruh. Honeycomb is useless. I thought, and then I'm here like, I wish I used that honeycomb. Really do. If you don't notice, I could have probably got like 20 honeycomb from the time I was. Yeah, I also got the tiger slime. And see anything different? Yeah, I actually filled out some parts of the map because I had time, lol. And I figured out how to. I wasn't just like, bro, I'm not gonna fill parts of the map. I thought you just had to go into the map and click a certain button. And I thought, oh, that's pretty easy. Reset. Remind me? Okay, boom, that should be better. And not as hard to show the screen. Okay, guys, I know you don't use this, and yeah, this is no, I'm not gonna say it. It's not. What is this? I'm not going to the lobbies. I can't do. Okay, never mind. So yeah. Like, Brock, what are you doing here at this room? You already know what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to go to the
whatever, and yeah, this is probably gonna be my episode is gonna be short because well, I'm just gonna do until it hangs up, and if it hangs up in the middle of doing something, then that's not my fault. I'll say thank you, bye guys, and then leave. But that's only at like 11 or do it? What is this? What I heard? I swear I heard a shiny sound, but so I need